Hi guys, look at this. What a machine. I love it. Yes, this is the MG Cyberster. A name that sounds like a superhero and drives like one too. Scissor doors, check. 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds, check. A delicious 536 horsepower, triple check. From the moment you drop into the cockpit, you are enveloped in high-tech luxury. It's like stepping into a Bond villain's weekend toy. Only the ones legal, electric, and won't try to laser the moon. And when you floor it, hold on your smoothie, because this car moves 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. Blink, and you are already thinking about the next speed camera. Now let's talk about the boot. Yes, it's small. I measured it for you because I'm thoughtful like that. Will it fit your dreams of weekend getaways with matching vintage luggage? Maybe not. But a golf bag? Totally. A romantic picnic basket and a bottle of bubbly? Absolutely. It's not family hauler. It's a fun machine. A rolling sculpture with just enough room for your essentials. The MG Cyberster, fast, futuristic, and just flamboyant enough to make you feel like the main character every single time you hit that start button. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Thank you for watching.